Dito, madam. Ayan. Dito.
Walang magkakagulo, ha?
Unang-una, no, ayaw naming pangunahan ang magiging investigasyon ng Ombudsman. So kung mamarapatin nyo, hindi ako masyadong magpo-comment dyan. Pero, like I said earlier, kagaya ng sinabi ni Sec Babes, ito yung facts. And ang facts, simple lang. Speaker Martin Romualdez, siya ang naging speaker from 2022 to 2025. Si former Congressman Zaldico ang napili na Committee on Appropriations Chairman. At ang sinasabi ng referent na to ay dun sa relationship na yon, no, nangyari itong mga iba't ibang kontratang ito. No? Yun ang nangyari. Facts lang lahat ito. First of all, the referral is a collection of facts, as you can see. Now, these are the documents that are from DPWH. Mostly, these are contracts of the companies that have been alleged to be connected to former Congressman Zaldico, namely SunWest Corporation and High Tone Construction. No, and we are here to submit to the Ombudsman the contracts from 2016 of these corporations up to 2025. So these are, as you can see, madaming kontrata po ito. No, and sinusumiti po natin ito sa Office of the Ombudsman para kanilang mas malalim na busisiin sa kanilang investigasyon. That is the most important difference. Kaya, ang na-include lang namin, yung mga sinumpaang mga sinabi. At yung pong Facebook video ni former Congressman Zaldico, hindi po yun sinumpaan. Kaya hindi po namin yun pwedeng isama.
Otherwise, dapat hindi nila tinanggap yung responsibilidad. Okay. Having said that, let me just give everyone an update where we are as far as ICI is concerned. We're expecting additional documents coming from the joint AFP-PNP ground troops who are on the ground. 64 of them have been mobilized nationwide to focus on anomalous and especially the ghost projects and the projects that have been undertaken by the notorious contractors mentioned by the President. So, inaasahan namin either this weekend or next week, dadagsa po yan. As I kept saying in the past, isipin nyo na lang, one ghost project will involve easily 15 individuals to be accused. So kung 421 yan, tapos na-limit namin sa 80, because the 80 refers to the projects undertaken by the notorious contractors, isipin nyo lang 80 times 15, do your math.